racing just is started with Don Albertini. Break quickly at the start, rushing everybody else. That is I'm coming. Wannabe is down on the inside. Think twice in between horses. Pradera Verde getting the wide strip as they make the first turn. Then down on the inside now is Money King. Double black second less while breaking. But is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader racing down the backstretch. We have Don Albertini on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Wannabe in second, I'm coming is racing in third. Money King is done in fourth. Then next on Lenny's Think Twice. Pradera Verde double black while breaking bed is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Don Albertini moving up on the that is I'm coming, wannabe, then down on the inside is Money King, and as they swing for home we have Don Albertini, I'm coming, is on the outside on Albertini, I'm coming, is on the outside on Albertini, I'm coming, and finally it's going to be Don Albertini, I'm coming, then comes Wannabe, Pradera Verde.
This program is brought to you by Robust Extreme Super Stick to.
Ito muna po ang quarter clockings ng inyong unofficial winner, numero 1, Don